For HVAC companies, the busiest months of the year are almost here, and when the heat really hits, homeowners stop thinking about it. They start searching immediately. The problem is, most HVAC businesses prepare their trucks for busy season, but completely forget to prepare their website. And that mistake quietly costs them calls every single summer. Every year, HVAC demand spikes hard between late spring and summer. People need AC repairs fast. Emergency calls increase. Competition gets more aggressive. And while HVAC companies are busy trying to keep up, customers are online making split-second decisions about who to hire. Not tomorrow, not next week, right now. Think about what happens when someone's AC stops working. Their house gets hot, their family gets uncomfortable, stress kicks in immediately. So what do? They pull out their phone and search, HVAC repair near me, emergency AC service, fast AC repair. And within seconds, they are comparing multiple companies. Here's the scary part. Most customers will never tell you why they skipped your business. They just quietly move on to the HVAC company that felt faster, more professional, easier to trust, easier to contact. And your website heavily influences that decision. A lot of HVAC websites are hurting businesses without owners realizing it. Slow loading, outdated design, no clear call to action, bad mobile experience. Hard to find phone numbers, and during busy season, those small problems become expensive problems. Because when urgency is high, customers do not wait around. If your website creates hesitation for even a few seconds, you lose the lead, and someone else gets the call instead. That is why at Engage, we build websites designed specifically for businesses that depend on fast customer decisions, especially HVAC companies. We create websites that load fast, work perfectly on mobile, build trust instantly, make contacting your business easy, help turn searches into actual calls. Because your website should not just exist, it should actively help your business win more jobs during the busiest season of the year. Busy season is coming fast. The real question is, when homeowners start searching for HVAC services, will your website help you get the call or help your competitor get it instead? Visit Engage Your Biz and let us build a website that works as hard as you do. Built fast, managed smart, powered by Engage.